What's up everyone, this is your host Phantom Boy from Phantom Toys, and this is another new video. And in this video I'm going to unbox these three Hot Wheels. These are new for 2020, so stay tuned and let's start the unboxing. The first car we got is Camaro SS, new for 2020 from Hot Wheels Dream Garage. Car number 3 out of 10. So this is Camaro SS. We got in orange and black stripes on sides and the whole body in silver color. We can see the tinted black windows. You can see that, and very nice car, and you can got nice details. And on the bottom we got 2018 Corpo Camaro and some other details. The second car we got is 69 Chevelle Fun Tuned, car number 4 out of 10. So now we got our 69 Chevelle in metal flake green color. We got black stripes here and on the front, on the hood and on the side. You can see unpainted metal base here. Yes, there you can see, and you can see on the back some other details. 69 Chevelle and made in Malaysia. Pretty cool version of this car, and you got red rims here and 5T8 wheels. The number of the wheels is that. The last car of our unboxing video is 205 Ford Mustang from Hot Wheels Dream Garage, car number 2 of 10 from the Trackster series. So now I got my hands on this 205 Ford Mustang, new for 2020, in bright yellow color, orange, black and silver stripe on the top along the sides, and this is very cool. And you can see written Hot Wheels GFRX. You see that here, Hot Wheels GFRX, and the Hot Wheels logo on the both sides. And we got the blue tinted windows, looking nice in the light here. Nice car. So now you have seen the review of these cars and their unboxing. Make sure to hit that big like button and subscribe to the channel to be the part of new Hot Wheels unboxing videos. So now you should enjoy some slow-mo shots and let me know in the comments how they were.